Hello everyone. Welcome back to SASAL Inc YouTube channel. I am Pran, SASAL's grandma, and today I am coming back with another NYSE listed company video about the Goldman Sachs Group Incorporated from their 2023 annual report. This video will be divided into three main elements: Goldman Sachs' business and strategy, their investment funds, and lastly their earnings for the year 2023. Goldman Sachs is a leading global financial institution that provides a wide range of financial services to corporations, governments, financial institutions, and individuals. With a strong focus on driving sustainable economic growth and expanding financial opportunities, the firm is committed to delivering its expertise in a seamless and efficient manner. Through its One Goldman Sachs initiative, it aims to make its services more accessible and integrated across different business areas. As a bank holding and financial holding company, Goldman Sachs is regulated by the Federal Reserve. One of its key subsidiaries, Goldman Sachs Bank USA, operates as a New York state-chartered bank, offering essential banking services to clients. The company's business is organized into three main segments, each playing a crucial role in serving a diverse global client base. The first, Global Banking and Markets, focuses on investment banking, advisory services, and market making in equities, fixed income, currencies, and commodities. It works closely with corporations and governments, helping them raise capital, navigate mergers and acquisitions, and manage financial risks. By facilitating transactions on major stock, options, and futures exchanges worldwide, this segment ensures clients have access to global financial markets. The second segment, Asset and Wealth Management, is dedicated to helping individuals and institutions grow and manage their financial assets. It generates revenue through management and performance fees, private banking, lending, and a range of investment activities. By offering tailored financial solutions, this division supports clients in making strategic investment decisions. Finally, Platform Solutions focuses on digital finance and transaction banking. This segment develops consumer financial platforms and other technology-driven solutions that enhance the way businesses and individuals manage their finances. With its broad range of financial services and a strong global presence, Goldman Sachs plays a critical role in the world of finance. Whether assisting businesses in raising capital, advising on complex financial strategies, or providing investment management solutions, the firm remains dedicated to supporting its clients and contributing to long-term economic growth. Goldman Sachs plays a crucial role in the financial markets by providing liquidity and facilitating price discovery, both of which contribute to the overall efficiency of the capital markets. As a market maker, the firm takes positions, often for a short period, in response to or in anticipation of client demand. It also actively manages risk exposures that arise from these activities, maintaining an inventory of financial instruments to support its operations. The company executes a high volume of transactions for clients across various markets. In highly liquid markets such as U.S. Treasury securities, stocks, and certain agency mortgage-backed securities, transactions are processed quickly and efficiently. In contrast, less liquid markets, including mid-cap corporate bonds, emerging market currencies, and non-agency mortgage-backed securities, often involve slightly higher spreads and fees. Additionally, Goldman Sachs structures and executes customized financial products tailored to client-specific needs, whether for risk management, investment objectives, or other complex financial strategies. Goldman Sachs maintains strong client relationships through its global sales force, which provides investment research, trading insights, and market analysis. Many of these interactions take place on technology platforms like Marquee, which offers institutional investors market intelligence, risk analytics, proprietary data, and trade execution tools across multiple asset classes. The firm's Global Investment Research Division further supports these efforts by providing analysis on approximately 3,000 companies, 50 national economies, and various industries, currencies, and commodities as of December 2023. The company's activities are organized by asset class and involve both cash and derivative instruments. Cash trading involves direct transactions of underlying assets, such as stocks, bonds, or commodities, while derivatives derive their value from asset prices, indices, reference rates, or other financial variables. These include options, which provide the right to buy or sell an asset at a future date, and interest rate swaps, which allow investors to exchange fixed and floating interest rates. A significant part of Goldman Sachs' revenue comes from investment banking fees, which include advisory and underwriting services. The firm has long been a leader in strategic advisory, assisting clients with mergers and acquisitions, divestitures, corporate defense strategies, restructurings, and spin-offs. Its expertise in cross-border transactions and complex financial structuring allows it to provide tailored solutions for clients managing their assets, liabilities, and capital strategies. Underwriting is another key function, enabling businesses to raise capital for growth, job creation, and product development. Acting as a financial intermediary, Goldman Sachs connects investors looking to grow their wealth with companies in need of funding. This includes both public and private placements of securities, as well as acquisition financing. The firm has a strong presence in equity underwriting, handling common stock, preferred stock, convertible securities, and exchangeable securities, and has consistently been a leader in global public offerings and IPOs. It also plays a significant role in debt underwriting, originating and underwriting various types of bonds, high-yield debt, and structured securities, including mortgage-backed instruments. Through its diverse market activities, strategic advisory services, and innovative financial solutions, Goldman Sachs continues to be a key player in the global financial landscape, helping businesses and investors navigate complex financial markets while driving economic growth. Goldman Sachs' role in debt underwriting extends to investment-grade and high-yield bonds, as well as bank and bridge loans. These financial instruments help corporations, governments, and municipalities secure funding for expansion, acquisitions, and infrastructure projects. The firm also underwrites emerging market debt, supporting economies that require capital for growth and development. In addition, it plays a major role in structured finance, originating and underwriting securities backed by pools of assets, such as mortgage-backed securities, asset-backed securities, and other complex financial products designed to meet investors' needs. Beyond investment banking, Goldman Sachs is deeply involved in risk management and trading, providing clients with tailored financial solutions to hedge against market volatility. The firm's expertise in derivatives allows it to structure custom financial instruments that address clients' exposure to interest rate fluctuations, currency risks, or credit risks. These derivative transactions are often linked to broader advisory and underwriting activities, ensuring clients have comprehensive financial strategies in place. The company's ability to execute transactions across global markets is further enhanced by its technology-driven approach. Platforms like Marquee allow institutional investors to access real-time market insights, risk analytics, and proprietary data, empowering them to make informed investment decisions. This digital infrastructure not only improves efficiency, but also strengthens Goldman Sachs' relationships with clients by providing them with valuable trading and risk management tools. At the core of Goldman Sachs' success is its ability to adapt to changing market conditions while maintaining a client-centric approach. Whether assisting corporations with capital raising, advising on complex mergers and acquisitions, or developing innovative financial products, the firm remains committed to delivering high-quality services. With its deep market expertise, global reach, and technological advancements, Goldman Sachs continues to be a dominant force in the financial industry, shaping the future of global finance while supporting economic growth and stability. Goldman Sachs generates revenue through investment banking and investment management services, both of which play a crucial role in its overall financial performance. In investment banking, advisory fees are earned when financial advisory services are completed based on the terms of an assignment. These fees are typically recognized as revenue once the underlying transaction is finalized. In cases where clients make non-refundable deposits or milestone payments, these amounts are also recognized as revenue upon completion of the transaction, or when the assignment is otherwise concluded. Any expenses incurred during financial advisory assignments are recorded as transaction-based expenses, while any reimbursements from clients for these expenses are included in investment banking revenues. Underwriting fees, another key source of revenue, are recognized once an underwriting transaction is completed. These fees stem from helping companies raise capital by issuing securities. Similar to advisory services, expenses related to underwriting are generally deferred until the revenue is recognized or the assignment is concluded. Once an underwriting transaction is finalized, these costs are included in transaction-based expenses. Beyond investment banking, Goldman Sachs also earns substantial revenue from investment management services. This includes management fees and incentive fees, both of which contribute to the firm's investment management revenue. The company pays distribution fees to brokers and advisors for placing its investment funds, and these payments are recorded as transaction-based expenses. Management fees vary depending on the type of investment vehicle. Mutual fund management fees are based on a percentage of the daily net asset value and are collected monthly. For hedge funds and separately managed accounts, fees are calculated as a percentage of the month-end net asset value and are typically received quarterly. Private equity funds operate differently, with fees based on either the monthly invested capital or committed capital, which are collected quarterly, semi-annually, or annually, depending on the fund. These management fees are recognized over time as the firm provides ongoing investment management services. Distribution fees, which are payments to brokers and advisors, are calculated as a percentage of the management fee, the fund's net asset value, or the committed capital, and are recorded as transaction-based expenses. Incentive fees, another important component of investment management revenue, are earned based on the performance of a fund or a separately managed account. These fees are calculated as a percentage of a fund's return or its excess return above a specified benchmark or target. Incentive fees can be based on a one-year performance period or the lifetime performance of a fund. For those tied to a 12-month period, the fees are subject to adjustment before the measurement period ends. In cases where fees are based on a fund's entire lifespan, any future investment underperformance may require previously distributed fees to be returned to the fund. Goldman Sachs recognizes incentive fees when it is reasonably certain that a significant reversal of these fees will not occur. This generally happens when the fees are no longer subject to market fluctuations in the value of the fund's investments. As a result, some incentive fees recorded during a specific period may actually relate to investment performance achieved in prior periods. Through its investment banking and investment management divisions, Goldman Sachs continues to generate substantial revenue by advising clients, facilitating capital raising, managing investments, and structuring financial solutions. These activities reflect the firm's ability to adapt to market conditions while providing comprehensive financial services to corporations, institutions, and individual investors worldwide. In 2023, Goldman Sachs reported net revenues of $46.25 billion, a slight 2% decrease from the previous year. This decline was primarily due to reduced earnings in global banking and markets, though it was partially offset by gains in platform solutions and asset and wealth management. The Asset and Wealth Management division generated $13.88 billion in net revenues, marking a 4% increase from 2022. This growth was driven by higher management fees and increased earnings from debt investments, as well as private banking and lending services. However, the division faced challenges with notable declines in equity investment revenues and incentive fees. Operating expenses for the firm rose to $34.49 billion in 2023, an 11% increase compared to the prior year. This rise in expenses contributed to a return on average common shareholders' equity, ROE, of 7.5% for the year. Despite these challenges, assets under supervision reached a record $2.81 trillion by the end of 2023, reflecting a 10% increase over the year. This milestone underscores Goldman Sachs' continued strength in asset and wealth management. In summary, while Goldman Sachs faced a modest decline in overall net revenues for 2023, the firm demonstrated resilience through growth in its asset and wealth management division and achieved a significant increase in assets under supervision. This is it for today's video. Thank you everyone for watching this video till the end. It was Pran. If you like this content, please make sure to like this video, comment, share it, and subscribe for more. Don't miss out on our exclusive membership program. Become a member of our channel and get exclusive access to the SASAL Business Avenue, where you can promote your business and grow your sales from Monday to Thursday, 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern Time. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you, everyone.